Hey folks, a very mild evening across the valley. Your temperatures in the 70s in most areas. Brownsville, Port Isabel, Harlingen, West Laguel at 73, and then 74, 75 across the upper valley tonight. Your dew points are holding steady. They really haven't moved much the last week. We've been in the mid 60s all week long, and you put that on the Muggy meter, an average of about 65. So yeah, it's a little bit humid, but not summertime humidity. So relatively comfortable out there, especially during the day. If we take a peek at tonight's lows, we won't get much below 70 across most of the area. That's not going to change a lot. And then tomorrow, it's going to be a warm afternoon. I think temperatures across most of the region will be in the upper 80s. Western parts of the valley, 90 to 94. Breezy conditions. It's not going to be 20 to 30 with gusts to 40 like today, but still a pretty good breeze out there, but more typical of what we've seen so far this week. Now, if you look at the next 7 days, there is no cool down at all. Temperatures are going to kind of wander around that 90-degree mark. We'll be within 2 or 3 of that each of the next 7 days. It doesn't cool off much, doesn't warm up much, and that's all every one of those days well above the season average of 82 degrees. Most of Texas enjoying a very mild night, 75 all the way up to Dallas, 69 in Abilene tonight, a little cooler in Amarillo, 54, 66 in Odessa at this hour. We're seeing some showers and thunderstorms begin to fire up this evening in the Panhandle, kind of the leading edge of the stuff that I think may become severe tomorrow. There's a dry line moving across West Texas right now, and then a cool front will push in. Here's the upper disturbance. You can see the spinning of the clouds back there. You kind of see where the red lines circle up here. That's the upper disturbance. Here's the front, little dry line out ahead of it. For us, it's a southeasterly wind. Tomorrow, for the most part, the wind stays southeasterly all day. Even with that front, the wind may shift briefly out of the south. That could help us warm up a little bit. And if that happens, western part of the valley could get a little bit hotter than what we're forecasting. The rain should all stay to the north of us. If anything pops up in the valley, it would be a brief shower, and that's it. Nothing more than that, and the best chance for that would be near the coast. You move on into Saturday, the front falls apart, and then I think all of our winds come out of the south here at the ground, here at the surface. And once that happens, temperatures really warm up. Saturday could be a day well up into the 90s. Across the valley. Some places out west could touch 100 degrees. And then on Sunday, the wind's back out of the southeast again. Southeast wind puts a lid on temperatures because of the air coming off the Gulf. So you're still warm, but not as warm, and nothing else changes until about the middle of next week when another storm system brings another front into the state. Could trigger a shower perhaps Wednesday into Thursday. We're mainly dry tomorrow. A brief shower is possible. And then Wednesday next, a spotty shower or thunderstorm with that next system. So tonight, 70 for a low, partly cloudy, breeze dying down. Clouds show up later on, maybe some patchy morning fog. Then those morning clouds around early, then mostly sunny in the afternoon, a high of 87, winds 12 to 22 out of the southeast. An isolated shower possible tomorrow, but mainly dry. Dry through the weekend and very warm. Next chance of rain comes Wednesday, and right now that's only about 10%. Temperatures every day around 90 or so throughout the forecast period. And that is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.